Hi guys, welcome to my lunch meal prep video for this week. So you know that I love little kitchen gadgets. So I got this new sandwich press and it actually has all kinds of other attachments. But this week I'm gonna make a panini sandwich for lunch. I'm gonna do a side of fruit. But this maker, we've been using it a ton for like grilled cheeses. So for lunch this week, I'm gonna do like a cheese turkey ranch sandwich that I'm gonna prep all up. But I wanted to show you this little maker first. It is awesome. So it has these removable little pieces. So you can switch them out on whatever kind of like little shape you want. So this is the one I use for like the grilled cheese and the like paninis. They have this one, it comes with this one, and it comes with a little like recipe book, and they show steak being cooked on that, which I mean, that's awesome to cook steak on this little kitchen gadget. But then it also has a little waffle shaped attachment. Let me show you. So the little waffle on each side. So you just pop out this tray, add this other one in. So I love this. I love kitchen gadgets. This one's from Amazon, so I will put it in the description box and it'll just take you straight to Amazon, but super fun to have. So I'm gonna get this lunch all made up for the week. Some delicious panini press sandwiches. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Tons of meal prepping ideas, quick and simple, healthy. So I love meal prepping just so that it keeps me organized for the whole week. So I hope you enjoy this one. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and let's get this lunch all made up for the week.
So I'm gonna make my sandwiches first. So I just have the kind of bread that we have, turkey, cheese, and the maker is all nice and warmed up, so it's super hot right now. It doesn't take long to cook these kind of sandwiches, but I love this little triangle shape. It's perfect for grilled cheeses and pressed paninis. So I am just going to make up the sandwich, put it in the press, and then I'm going to do a second batch because I want to do 4 sandwiches in total. So you can really use any kind of sandwich toppings you want. These are kind of my go-tos for sandwiches, but you can definitely add in, this would be really good, adding in some bacon in a pressed sandwich is super good. But any of your favorite ingredients are perfect in this. So I just set the sandwich in and just press the top down. So I kind of have to squeeze it down a bit and then it will click into place. It only takes a few minutes to cook, nice and like a wonderful grilled cheese. So I'm just gonna pop these out. I love the non-stick on this, so you don't have to use cooking spray or anything, even though I did put butter on the sandwich, but that's to make it delicious. But these just pop right out. I'll put the next batch in and then the sandwiches will be all done. So these reheat really well, that's why I wanted to make them for my lunch meal prep this week. So you can just heat these in the microwave, or if you have an air fryer, it makes them nice and toasty and crispy again. But these are just really awesome for lunch. So I have my favorite silicone muffin molds that I'm going to use to add in my fruit. So I'm going to do blueberries this week. You can do strawberries, grapes, any kind of fruit you want. But I love having a side of fruit with a nice yummy sandwich. So the silicone muffin molds are one of my favorite things ever. So I will link these in the description box from Amazon. I use them for so many different things, but it's really great for portioning out the fruit so that it doesn't touch the sandwich, which I don't mind it touching, but if you're gonna heat it up, it's much easier to just pull out the little muffin mold, and you don't have to heat the blueberries because you don't want to do that. So these are just really convenient. If you need more meal prep ideas, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do meal prepping every Saturday morning, so hope you enjoyed this one. And make sure you check out my other videos while you're here to get some more ideas for healthy meal prepping. Hope you have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.